Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the document. Switch to print layout and turn on formatting marks so you can see exactly where pages and breaks are. Next, place the cursor at the end of the page before the one where you want the header or footer removed and insert a section break next page. This creates a new section. That separation is the only reliable way in Word to change headers or footers for selected pages, because headers are section level, not page level. Once the new section exists, double-click the header or footer area on the target page to open the header and footer tools. Very important. Click Link to Previous to disable it. This stops the header/footer from copying from the prior section. Now you can select the header and footer content in this section and delete it. Because the link is broken, only this section loses its content. This is how you remove headers/footers for selected pages, while keeping them elsewhere in the document. Finish by checking if you need another section break after the header-free pages, so subsequent pages keep the original header and footer. Also make sure page numbering and any different odd, even, or different first page settings are correct. Adjust them in header and footer tools. If the header still appears, inspect adjacent sections and reopen each header to confirm link to previous is off. Stray linking or an extra section break is almost always the cause. Once done, save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.